And it's our birthday. It's our birthday. All right, y'all. So while we find a little pathway to nothing, let's get him back here. So y'all, so I got my acai bowl from Jamba Juice, and then I got orange juice and a water, and my mom got, she ain't washing her hands, but yeah, y'all. And head to the boat. Oh my gosh, it's really happening. And y'all look at my new bag. All right, y'all, so this is day 2 of my first cruise with my mom. For breakfast, she got Starbucks. I had this really good acai bowl. I didn't think I was gonna finish it, but I did. So yeah, me trying to be healthy in the morning, and she really wanted me to get this Port of Miami sign that I really almost got. But yeah, y'all, we was heading out. We was excited. Honey! All right, and then here I failed to get the inside of the, I don't know what this thing called before you get to the boat. But so I decided to keep the original audio for this video because it's hilarious. So yeah, y'all enjoy. Okay. This is the room. We just got in, literally. And we celebrating our birthdays, 25th and 45, like I said. So this is our... Now we headed to... So one of the good things about this cruise is like you just meet a lot of people. But this view right here during dinner was like so beautiful for me. Out of all the sightseeing and places that we went to during the cruise, that was like the most breathtaking view. That's all I had to say. Bye. Okay, y'all. So we're getting ready to go to the club. I think the club we go. It's her outfit. Spin around. I know that's right. Y'all see the vibe. All right, y'all, and then I got a little lit, so I'm not gonna include the audio for this next part, but yeah, I had a good time. All right, y'all, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will be uploading part 3 soon. We want the pizzeria. Did it rain? It looked like it rained.